Living in this place is really not easy. People here are ethnic minority. They live in group of houses on high mountain. They have to climb thousands of steps if they want to go to local market or if children want to go to school. There are several houses built on mountain cliffs like this. It's hard to tell how and why they built houses there because it has a very long history. And these ladders are also like that. It started from something very basic like a rope and then ladder from wood or bamboo. And now this ladder is made from iron. The children here are very independent. The living condition trains them that way. They can go several kilometers to school. At the beginning, their parents can help, but later they have to go alone. The good things living in this place are the pure air and peaceful environment. Sometimes tourists from big cities come here to stay at weekend. They really enjoy the peaceful and relaxing environment. There are hundreds of similar houses in this area. It forms an unique view for the region, and tourists usually take a lot of pictures here. Going along this mountain cliff, of course, it is super dangerous. It will go to another ethnic minority. They live in a group like this. This community seems to be more advanced. They build bigger and better houses, but the overall living condition is quite similar. Everything is such underdeveloped. However, what important the most is, the people here are very happy. They have a simple mind, no money, but a very happy life.